However, in this video, I will show our new smart power distribution box solution. We will look at just this one, how it works, and use for different software solution. Okay, let's look at how it works. Okay, you can see, let's look at this smart power distribution box and used by KinCony B32M and the KinCony N6 energy meter board. And this is a whole box, and we can see I have connected together support Tuya app and the Home Assistant, and you can see the 3 voice voice controlled by Alexa and the Apple HomePod and the Google Home Speak. So we'll also, you can see here I have connected a KinCony Server 16 for Raspberry Pi controller and install the Home Assistant. And this network switch, just a controller, just one controller, 2 controller, and 3 controller, 3 KinCony controller have connected together with one network, just 1, 2, 3. And this is the LAN cable from the load, from my load. Okay, let's look at how it works with a different software solution. This you can see the Home Assistant. The Home Assistant working in local network. I have installed this on the Android pad, but also you can see you can use this Apple iPad. Just use the Apple iPad. Also support Home Assistant. This can work in local network. So you can see the auto discovery have used for this Home Assistant B32M, and we can see there are many output and many digital input and analog input, and also you can install the sensor. You can see if I turn on this one, turn on and turn off, and just this one, the contact will controlled by this B32M. And this one you can see is my mobile phone. This is Tuya app. The Tuya app is work with the internet, remote control by internet. You can see this is 4G. So you can see if I turn on, and this one will be on. This contact will be on or off. You can see this red on, off. So this can remote control by internet in anywhere. Okay, you can also support this controller B32M that support Apple HomeKit, Google Home application, and Alexa application. Also support voice control. And you can see, okay, let's test the voice control. Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.
And you can see this LED indicator is on. Alexa, turn off the light.
Okay.
Okay, this work with the Alexa. And hey Siri, turn on the light. This one is on, and this one is on. Hey Siri, turn off the light. Okay, this is work with Apple HomeKit voice control. This. Okay, Google, turn on the light. And you can see this is turn on. Also, you can see the Home Assistant state is changed. Okay, Google, turn off the light. Okay, you can see turn off, and this one is off. So you can see this controller can use by Home Assistant Tuya app and Alexa and the Apple HomeKit and Google Home application, and also support the KinCony Cloud server. So it's very powerful and used for different software solution. Okay, now let's look at how to wire with this different controller and break and contact. And you can see this is single phase, just the leave line and neutral line input at here. This is mid break, power incoming, so this is very thick. The power line is very thick. And this one you can see, go to this 32 channel break. Every break you can see we have used this 20 ampere, but also you can replace by 60 ampere or other ampere. and this just connect with all leaf line together. And just the last, this one is a fuse. It's a fuse. This one leaf line to this fuse, and this fuse output go to this power supply. This is DC 24 volt power supply, and this 24 volt output and give this N30 power and B32M power. You can see just this power 12 to 24 volt, and this power at here also is 12 to 24 volt. So these two controller and used by this one power supply, and this one you can see every channel output and go to this DC contact, and this is single phase DC contact, and you can see the positive and the negative, and this is manual control button for turn on and turn off. If your system is broken, if the controller is broken, if your network is broken, so you can use this one manual control button to turn on and turn off manually. This is top level for this control system. And this also have used the DC contact 24 volt for this contact coin. So this all 24 volt, this cable all 24 volt, the coin have connect with this output, just a digital output. And this is Tuya Wi-Fi antenna. If this box will be close the door, so you can use the external Wi-Fi antenna outside of this power box. And this was 32 channel digital output. You can see this is a digital output, and go to this contact coin positive, go to this positive, because this MOSFET output used by PMP and PMOS output. And at the last, the contact output, this is a terminal you can connect with your loader. Your loader's line all have connect this screw, just from 1 to 32 channel, connect with this screw for output. And this is every channel brick. You can turn on and turn off every channel brick on and off. And also you can see this is N30. The N30 you can see this have monitor 30 channel of CT clamp sensor. So the CT sensor you can see just at here have connect 30 channel of output, go through this leaf line. So that can monitor the power, the voltage, and the current, and the energy meter data from this N30. This N30 also support the Home Assistant by MQTT Auto Discovery. Let's look at, because this is B32M in Home Assistant. So we can also find the device just in Home Assistant setting, and the device you will find this N30. You can see this N30, and also I have used the N60. The N30 we can go into it here, that you can see the load, the current now, because there is no load have connected, so this is 0 ampere. So you can see energy data and the frequency and the power, and you can see this is the voltage and the temperature. So you can see total 30 channel. Every channel you can monitor this data on Home Assistant. Okay, so this is used by Home Assistant for this N30 energy meter. And the system also you can see have menu control button, so this can work without network, without controller. And the controller you can see I just connect the Ethernet cable and to the load, so this can work in local network for this Home Assistant. And this voice control you can see the Google Home, the Apple, and this Alexa. This one need internet for remote control, and this Apple Siri that use in local network. But if you want remote control by Apple HomeKit.
Playing all songs.
You need also
There's
use
nothing
the
in your
internet.
music library.
Okay, so this is a Tuya mobile phone. Okay, so I think you can use KinCony smart controller and energy meter to make a private power distribution box and save this all data on your Raspberry Pi controller. At here, I have used this SD card, but also we have Pi 5 server, use M5 that support M2 SD disk. Okay, so this is the KinCony new smart power distribution box solution. If you have any questions, you can message to us. Thanks for watching.